Now, once your account is approved, the next recommended step is linking a bank account. All you have to do is click on the person icon in the bottom right and then the 3 lines in the top left. This will open the main menu and then you can click on transfers. From this screen, you're going to scroll down to linked accounts and click on the add account button with the plus sign. You have the option to link a debit card as well as up to 3 different bank accounts. Linking a debit card will allow you to do instant transfers with a $5,000 daily deposit limit. But even if you link your bank account directly, you'll still get access to an instant deposit of up to $1,000 when you fund your Robinhood account. You can also use Apple Pay to initiate a transfer using your debit card without linking it to the Robinhood app. If you do link your bank account directly, Robinhood uses Plaid for that connection. This is a way to instantly link your bank account without having to type in your account and routing numbers. Instead, you'll enter your login credentials for the bank, and this data is fully encrypted and it is not shared with Robinhood. Once you enter those details, it will have you choose which bank account you want to link if you have multiple.